Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Ito na to. Matagal natin hinintay ito. Matagal natin hinintay ang pansin ito. Ngayon, magpapanood din natin. Pagkatapos natin panoorin, ipagmamalaki natin.
Oh my God, hindi. Good evening, Derek. Merry Christmas. How are you feeling right now?
Excited na bago ko ng lahat.
If there's one thing na hindi mo makakalimutan while you guys are shooting the movie, can you share it with us?
Na hindi ko makakalimutan.
Yes.
Kung gaano ka-sweet yung dalawa.
Oo.
Hindi ko makakalimutan. Hindi na nag-iiwan kayo. So, nakakakilig.
Thank you, Derek. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And then, of course, we have Miss Almira. Miss Almira, again, congratulations. And Mr. Christian Vasquez. Sir, congratulations sa ating mga batang people.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito kahit sobrang traffic po sa mga po kanina ngayon. Maraming salamat dahil pinapakita nyo talaga yung pagmamahal nyo para sa Friendship. 1, 2, 3, we love you!
Thank you so much. Okay, guys. You may now take the pictures while I have a little bit of reminders. Okay, guys. Photo op with the cast and crew, everybody. There you go. Again, guys, My Future You will be showing officially in cinemas nationwide starting December 25. And this is an official entry to the 50th MNFF. This is directed by none other than Derek Crisanto Aquino. And together with them is Mosang Vance Larena, Mr. Christian Vasquez, Miss Almira Mulak, and of course, this generation's love team. Francie Diaz and Saint guys. Again, don't forget to use our official hashtag today. It's hashtag MyFutureYouMMFF and the Gala Nights, or MyFutureYou, the Gala Nights. Alright, so are you guys excited to see the movie? Kaya naman sabay-sabay na nga nating mapapanood yan tonight. Again, let's give the cast and crew of My Future You a round of applause, everybody. We love you, Princess! Yes! Grabe. Thank you so much. Ayan, so I guess we will now proceed inside the cinema to start. Photo, I believe last few minutes of photo shoot muna, picture taking. Ayan, guys. Alright. Again, don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Again, this is an official entry to the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival. My Future You is showing in cinemas December 25. Suportahan po natin ang first ever movie ni Francine Diaz and Zach Pedaling. Sama-sama tayong magmamahal from zero and beyond. Again, this is rated G by the MTRCB. It's a feel-good movie para sa lahat. Again, it's December 25, 2024. Alright, so I guess let's proceed inside the cinema.
Nood nyo na ang My Future You. Promise after nito, hindi nyo makakalimutan yung film.
Oh, so exciting, Direk. Congratulations, Direk.
Thank you.
And we cannot wait to see and witness this masterpiece po. Maraming salamat and congratulations, Direk. Next, tawagin
Ready na yung tissue ko.
Ako rin. Ready na ang puso ko.
And of course, let's also invite here on stage, Mosang! Mosang, habang we're waiting for Miss Mosang, we also have here Vance Larena.
Vance Lorena.
Mr. Christian Vasquez, and Miss Almira Mulak.
Hello, hello po. Congratulations on your MMFF entry. Let's please greet our friends here tonight. Miss Arlene. Ay, yes. Ang
Si Mr.
napakaganda.
and Mrs. Lopez pala, it says.
Hello everyone! Thank you for all coming here tonight and I hope you're all excited. Pareho namin to watch the movie My Future You.
Congratulations. So next, Mr. Christian Vasquez.
Gusto ko yung energy mo.
Wala po, walang ako sa mood ngayon eh. Charing lang.
Good evening everyone. Thank you so much sa support ninyo sa My Future You. I'm happy ito yung movie ng Friendset and of course kay Direk. Naramdaman ko yung pagiging emotional ni Direk. Parang Direk, I love you. And you, love you also.
Sir, wag mo sabihin yan, sir. Thank you so much and congratulations. Of course, Vance Larena.
Yon, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Vance Larena. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta po at pagbibigay ng pagmamahal para po sa pelikula naming My Future You. Sana po sabay-sabay po natin ulit panoorin sa darating na December 25 at maimbitahan po natin mas marami pang tao na manood ng pelikula ito. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much and congratulations, guys. Maraming.
Zero and beyond. Thank you.
Ayan, picture photo op lang with Francel. And
Also, let's give it up for, syempre, ang ating director, Direk Crisanto Aquino. We also have here Mosang, Vance Larena, Mr. Christian Vasquez, and Miss Almira Mulak. And the song that you're hearing on the background is written and sang by Eliza Maturan. It's called Museo or Museo. You can now stream it on all streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple, wherever, whichever streaming platform you're using. Again, it's called Museo. joke around.
Salamat, ah.
The materials that they use. It's so amazing, guys. I wish you could see it right now from
Oh my
our
goodness, that's so magical.
Alright, so since all of you, ayan, very good. Now, let's take it on this side. Everybody.
Mirror, yeah, there you go.
Mark.
There.
Right.
Feel the love, come on. Yeah.
Eh, DJ, para mas ng music, para mas mapigil nila. Come on. Hey.
Ako na lang mag-DJ.
Ayan, sir. Para mas mapigil ng ating mga
Ayan,
people.
come on. Feel the music, guys. Feel the love. All the love from Francet and my future you. Mabagal tayo, mabagal. Oh, wow, grabe. Manis na isa.
Dapat tayong gawin natin yung kabila naman. Yung kabila naman. Very good. This is so amazing. Thank you so much. Ay, perfect.
Okay, i-content na maraming salamat.